Hey guys, this is NoZakuBoy and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you the method I use to create all the banners, posters and signs in my current diorama build. We begin by using image editing software such as GIMP or Photoshop to create our posters and signs, resizing them to suit the scale we're working to. Once we have our images, I then print them off onto regular paper using an inkjet printer. Using a sharp blade and a straight edge, we can begin by cutting out the flags. Once cut out, we then fold the flag in half, making sure everything lines up. Watered down Mod Podge matte is then brushed thinly to the back of the flag before the flag is folded around a cotton bud, as the plastic will be used as the pole. I apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to the entire flag, being careful not to soak the flag as the ink will run if we're not careful. Before it dries, we can then bend the flag into shape to prevent it from being completely flat. Once the flag is dried, we can then cut away the excess cotton bud to our desired length. I also use scissors to trim off the excess of the bottom of the flag where it didn't line up properly. We can then paint the pole in silver and paint the edges of the flag matching the colours as best as possible to hide the white edges of the paper. With the flag just about done, the final step is to add some pigments to the edge of the flag to give it a more worn appearance. We begin by gluing the signs to some plastic plate using Mod Podge straight from the bottle. We apply the glue to the plastic as we don't want to saturate the paper or the ink will bleed. Once dry, we cut out each sign using plastic scissors as well as nippers to clean up the edges. Then using some florist wire, we cut lengths oversized and use CA glue to fix them to the back of each sign. With the glue dry, we can then paint the posts, edges and back of each sign silver. Finally, the posts can be cut to size and glued into place on our diorama. We begin by cutting each poster out using a sharp knife and a straight edge. After the posters are cut out, we can then start working out where we wish to place each poster. To fix the posters in place, we use thin down Mod Podge mixed to the location of the poster, then placing the poster in place. Once in place, we brush off more of the Mod Podge around the edges to create a good fix, not allowing the edges to lift. I hope this video has given you some ideas on adding small details to your dioramas. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and stay tuned to my channel for more videos. This has been No Saku Boy, thanks for watching.